improver is building relationships with the students and having a sort of connection with the younger generation and seeing how they build off certain STEM topics and how I could use what they learned to my own learning.
What I like about advanced robotics is that it's really fun and interactive with things you might know or you might not know, and every day is something new you get to learn.
I decided to come back for second year of robotics because it seemed interesting. I want to become a technology teacher like Miss Curran and help students learn about more technology.
I want my students to see that they can be successful in science and technology and mathematics. So teaching them that young and getting them involved in activities like robotics really helps them to see that they have a future in that career field.
It has been a rewarding experience teaching the students because I've been able to see how different they've become throughout the semester and how they weren't as confident in certain STEM topics that we were teaching, like robotics and building certain little bots, and then how they are with the robots now. They're more confident in adding certain aspects to the robots and making them a better version of themselves and making them feel more confident in taking STEM in the future and pursuing a career in STEM.
The UC Merced students help me reach my goals by giving me a grasp of knowledge from robotics and engineering and even the little bits of code we're doing right now. They've helped me understand it more clearly than before, and it's just been really helpful.
It's important to teach 3D to students because in the real world, everything is 3D. Everything we have has some sort of volume, and everything isn't just a blank space that you can just put on anything. It moves in X, Y, and Z and operates in X, Y, and Z.
So I teach because of the opportunities that I wasn't given growing up. So being able to give back to the students and bring them into this world that I've come into, seeing them light up when they understand a topic, enjoy STEM as a whole, is something that gives me joy and is really rewarding.